Hello everyone, my midterm requirements in MMW. My topic is Fibonacci sequence, an integer in the infinite sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and etc. Of which the first two terms are 1 and 1, and each succeeding term is the sum of the two immediately preceding. Fibonacci series. Dito ba sa may picture na to, ang pinapakita po dito ng Fibonacci is ito pong nakalagay ditong default na 0 tsaka 1. 0 plus 1 is equals 1. Then 1 plus 1 is equals 2. 1 plus 2 is equals 3. 2 plus 3 is equal 5. Then, magbibigay po ako ng example kung paano makuha yung iba pang number, yung matataas na numbers. Ito, for example, nagbigay ng ganito. Identify the 20 term in Fibonacci sequence. Ang gawin natin dito, yung nandun sa may kanina, dito sa may picture na dito, papag plus plus lang natin siya dun sa may naunang number. Let's start. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. 13 plus 21 is 34. 21 plus 34 is 55. 34 plus 55 is 89. 55 plus 89 is 144. 89 plus 144 is 223. 144 plus 223 is 377. 223 plus 377 is 610. 377 plus 610 is 987. 610 plus 987 is 1,597. 987 plus 1,597 is 2,584. 1,597 plus 2,584 is 4,181. Ang hinahanap is 20 term. Ganito siya para mabilang natin yung kung 20 term na ba siya. Bibilangin sa may simula dito sa may 0 hanggang dito. Pag may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So ito na yung hinahanap ng Fibo na 20 term. The 20 term is 4,181. Yun lang po yung Fibonacci sequence. Thank you po.